A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tamam bil khair. Assalamu alaikum everyone to today's class.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Ahlan wa sahlan. Welcome to today's class. We will get started. In today's class, we will do a few exercises, inshallah. We'll do some practice of the lessons we have learned, and we'll also see numbers. So we've learned numbers from 1 to 5. We'll learn number 6 to 10, and inshallah we'll do a Kahoot quiz to learn the numbers correctly and also to see who remembers the numbers really well.
So Sahaba, we have the quiz only for 1 to 10, the numbers.
Yes, 1 to 10. We have already learned 1 to 5. We'll learn 6 to 10, and together we will have quiz on numbers 1 to 10. Okay. Adnan is prepared well, so Adnan is very confident. Let's see if Adnan comes in the first 3. Awesome. Let me share my screen. We'll start with an exercise on annotation, inshallah. We have some words to the left. These are words that we have seen. These are words that we have learned. What you have to do is use the annotation, match the words on the left with the correct word on the right. So we have Yaqra, Musalla, Ar-Rasul, Masjid, Ibnun, Usra, Al-Quran, Ibnatun, Yusalli, Shajara. Okay, so you just have to match with the same word on the right. So go ahead. Let's see who gets it correct.
See, there's a picture. Tap like this. What is this? I really can't understand.
Okay, see, what we have to do is match the words on the left with the ones on the right. I see some of the matchings have got erased, which is okay. Who can explain the meaning of these words? So we have matched Yaqra with Yaqra, that's already there. Musalla will match with Musalla on the right. Where do we see Musalla? We see Musalla at number 9.
9.
So we would match Musalla to number 9. Okay. Ar-Rasul, the messenger. Where is Ar-Rasul on the right? We have it at number 4. So we would match Ar-Rasul at number 4. That's nice. Masjid. Where do we have Masjid on the right? Okay, there is Masjid at number 6. Okay, too many markings now. So we have markings going all over the place. Let me try to clear them all. Okay, we are at Ibnun, which means son. Where do we have Ibnun on the right? We have Ibnun at number 10. So Ibnun is son. Ibnatun is daughter. Now trying to do it one by one. Usra. Who can tell me what's the meaning of Usra? We've seen Usratur Rasuli. What does it mean?
Family.
Family, very nice. So Usratur Rasuli means the family of the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That's Usra. Next is Al-Quran. Al-Quran will match with number 8.
8.
Al-Quran is Al-Quran Kareem. Yaqra means reading. He is reading. Yaqra, Qara'a means he read. Yaqra means he's reading. Al-Quran is the book which is recited. Okay, so it's the mighty book which is recited with Al-Quran. So remember the Qara'a, which is the root word. Ibnatun. Who remembers the meaning of Ibnatun? Hibza. Sadia, what's the meaning of Ibnatun? We have seen Ibnun. We have seen Ibnun over here. What's Ibnatun? Daughter, very good. So Ibnun is son. We add the closed ta, we add the ta marbuta at the end. It becomes Ibnatun, which is daughter. Now, second last, Yusalli. Where's Yusalli? Yusalli is over here. Very nice. What's the meaning of Yusalli?
Praying salah.
Praying salah. Nice. So notice the difference. We have musalla over here. It's musalla. It's an alif maksura because we don't have the two dots, which would be for ya. However, for yusalli, we have the two dots, if you notice. This is one of the mistakes people did in your homeworks. So people confuse the musalla with the yusalli. Yusalli with the ya is a verb. So he is praying salah. What we saw yesterday is yusalli. Musalla is the place of prayer. Okay, so musalla is with an alif. Musalli is with a ya. We'll do more practice, inshallah, it will become easy. We are just doing this fast as part of this exercise. We have shajara at the last word. Who can tell me what's the meaning of shajara? What's shajara? We saw it yesterday.
Tree.
Tree, very nice. So, shajaratu al-usrati would be the family tree. So, tree of the family. Okay, awesome. So, that's the quick exercise to get everyone engaged. We will now start the lesson, inshallah. I see we have with us Zahan has joined in. We have Adnan and Sadia. We have Ilaf and Sania and Hania. So, Assalamu alaikum. We seem to have Rahmat as well. We have Mama and Nahid auntie. And we also have
I was there, Sakib Chacha.
we have Misbah Bhabhi and family joining from Bangalore. So, welcome to the class. Don't get overwhelmed if you see too many words. Inshallah, we'll go through the words and learn them slowly, inshallah.
Sakib Bhaiya, myself and Sidra, Nimra and Sidra, we've joined with Ilaf and Hania.
Okay, so it's the four of you and Rahmat is separate. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. This is where we were. This was the homework exercise to practice this dialogue. I've received only half of the homeworks. So only half of the people have submitted homeworks. I've received some late, some incorrect, and some I haven't received. We learn Arabic only through practice. Okay, so the way we will learn is practice that you will do in the class, practice that we do in the Kahoot quiz, which we will do one of it today, and practice that you do after the class. So very, very important is we are learning a new language. And to learn a new language requires a lot of listening and a lot of speaking. Okay, so take this homework very, very seriously. It is one opportunity for you to try the exercises and get your mistakes corrected. So that's why the homeworks are important. It's not important for you to do it perfectly and correctly. What is very important is that you try the homework and you get your mistakes corrected. We have completed this exercise as part of homework. And as I said, so people were able to distinguish between the masculine verb, which starts with the ya, and the feminine verb, which starts with the ta. The mistake was with the musalla and tusalli. So musalla has an alif, tusalli and yusalli has a ya at the end. Zahan, you have a question? No? We will continue. We'll do more practice exercises. So this is the same one like the previous. Tabadali su'ala wa jawaba ma'a zamilika kama fil mithal. We have an example and we have to frame questions and answers based on the example. Similar to the example, we have to frame questions and answers. Talib 1 says man hada. Talib 2 says hada waladi. Adnan huwa muhandis. Okay, the words are walid, Adnan and muhandis. So the first example would be man hada. Who is this? Man means who. Hada means this for masculine. Who remembers what's the feminine of this? How would we say this woman, this girl. This tree. What's the word for this? For
هذه.
hadihi. Very good. So if it is feminine, we would say man hadihi. Man hada is used when we have a man. The answer is hada walidi. This is my father. Notice the ya. The ya here is the pronoun. So the ya is the pronoun. Hada walidi. This is my father Adnan. Huwa muhandisun. Who remembers what is muhandisun? Muhandisun. What's this person here?
Engineer.
Engineer. Very good. Is it engineer man or engineer woman?
Man.
Correct. What would we say for engineer woman?
Muhandisatun.
Muhandisatun. Very nice. So you add an ending ta marbuta at the end. Muhandisatun would become female engineer. Okay. So the words are Walid, Adnan, and Muhandis. Let me do one more example, and then we'll open up and we'll let people practice in pairs. So here is a man writing on a board. He's a teacher, which we see here. It's Mudarris. The question would be man hada. Who is this? The jawab will be hada ammi. This is my is father's brother, uncle. This is my chacha. ये मेरे चाचा हैं. ये मेरे हैं. hada ammi. और notice करना, you need to add the ya. हमें ya add करना है. Similar to the example. hada ammi Umar हुआ मुदर्रिस. ठीक है. hada ammi Umar हुआ मुदर्रिsun would be the answer. So for practice, let us have Sadia and Hifza practice the next ones. Hifza, you do first, Talib 1, and Sadia, you do second, Talib. Okay, you can start Hifza.
من هذا؟
Sadia,
Should I do the first one or the Jada?
this one, Jad. Jad, Salim, Tabib.
Haza Jaddi Salim Huwa Tabibat.
Tabibun. Again, Sadia.
Haza Jadda Salam Haza Jaddi Salam Salim Huwa Tabibun.
Very correct. So hada jaddi, we add the ending ya, which will make it, this is my grandfather. Jad means grandfather. Jaddi, adding the ya will make it my grandfather. Ya is the pronoun for me. Hada jaddi is, this is my grandfather. Salim is his name. Huwa Tobibun, he is a doctor. Try the next one, Hifza and Sadia.
من هذا؟
Haza Akhi Salih Huwa Talibun.
Very nice. What's the meaning of it, Sadia?
Talib is student.
Okay, meaning of the full sentence. Hada akhi Salih huwa talib.
Akhi is brother, so my brother. And Salih is the name.
Correct.
And Talibun is student.
Correct. This is my brother Saleh. He is a student. The last one, Hifza and Sadia.
من هذا؟
Haza Sadiqi Ali Huwa Muallim.
Very nice. Hada Sadiqi Ali huwa muallim. What would be the meaning? What is Sadiq?
Sadiqi is
Sadiq is friend. What is Sadiqi?
my friend Ali, who is a teacher.
Very correct. So, Hada Sadiqi, this is my friend Ali huwa muallim. Nice. Now, we'll do one more practice. This time we'll do with Adnan and Zahan. Adnan, you are Talib 1 and Zahan, you are Talib 2. Okay, so same words. We'll do practice one more time. Adnan, Talib 1, and Zahan, Talib 2. You start with this example. Adnan? You are on mute, Adnan.
Yes.
Yes. You have to do Talib 1.
Man has a
هذا والدي أدنان هو مهندس.
Nice. Correct. Next one.
man has a
هذا عمر هو مدرس.
Nice. Hada me. This is my This is my chacha Umar. Huwa mudarrisun.
man has a
Third one, Zahan.
Yes. هذا جدة. هذا جدة.
Jaddi.
جدي. هذا جدي. سالم. هذا جدي سالم هو طالبة.
Tabibun.
طبيب.
Again, Zahan, repeat this one again.
هذا جدي سليم هو طبيب.
Very nice. Next. Adnan.
man has a
هذا أخ هذا أخ صليح.
Akhi, you have to add the ya.
أخي هذا أخي صليح.
Salih.
صالح هو طالب.
Nice. Last.
man has a
Zahan.
هذا صديقي علي هو مؤلمة.
Muallimun. Don't add the ta because it is masculine. Correct.
مؤلم.
Hada Sadiqi Ali huwa muallimun.
مؤلم.
Easy example. Now another practice example. This is Hawil kama fil mithal. Fill like the example. Here the words are Walid and Adnan. Talib 1 says Hada Walidi Adnan. Talib 2 says Hada Waliduhu Adnan. The difference is we have the ya pronoun here. In the second case, we have the pronoun is who. Ya is I. This is my father. Walid is father. Walidi is my father. Who can tell me what's the meaning of Waliduhu? What does who? So Walid is father.
Your
What's
father.
the meaning of who?
His father.
So what's the answer? Your father, his father?
His father.
His father. What would be your father? How would we say your father?
Waliduhun.
No. How do we say what is your name?
Ismu Hanya.
So Rahmat or Nimra or Sidra. How do we say what is your name?
Masmuka.
Masmuka.
Masmuki.
Masmuka or Masmuki. Now what's the pronoun used here? So Masmuka or Masmuki. What's the pronoun here in both of these sentences?
Masmuki.
So the ka and the ki are pronouns. Okay. So Masmuka, ka is the pronoun which stands for what is your name? So ka is masculine. Ki is for a girl. So ka and ki are the pronouns for you. So when I'm speaking to someone, when I speak to Rahmat and I ask Masmuki, I'm asking her, what is your name? Ya Rahmat. Okay. But when I'm asking someone else's name, if I ask Ma ismuhu Ya Rahmat, I'm asking about his name. Okay. So who is a third person? It's someone else, not in the discussion. Ka is the second person. When I'm speaking to someone, I'm speaking to Rahmat, and I'm asking about Rahmat, I would say Masmuki. That's the difference. Okay. So hada waliduhu, the who stands for his walid. So hada waliduhu, this is his father Adnan. Let me do the other ones quickly, and then we'll do one round of practice, then we'll learn numbers. So here we have Walida and Khadija. Hada is used with masculine subjects because it is feminine, because it is Walida, because it is mother. Would say Hadihi Walidati Khadija. That would be the dialogue of Talib 1. Talib 2 would say Hadihi Walidatuha. Ha is girl. For here would be ha. Hadihi walidatuha Khadija. I'll write that for you. Let me do the other examples and then I'll write the pronoun for she. This would be hadihi because again it is ukht. Ukht is sister. Hadihi ukhti Salma. Talib 2 would say hadihi ukhtuha Salma. Third would be masculine, easy. Hada ammi Uthman. This is my chacha. This is my uncle Uthman. The answer would be Hada ammuhu Uthman. This is his chacha Uthman. Here the words are Ib and Ali. The answer, Talib 1 would say Hada ibni Ali. This is my son Ali. Talib 2 would say Hada ibnuhu Ali. This is his son Ali. This one would be Hada Hadihi because it is Amma. Amma is Pupu, father's sister. Hadihi Ammati Aisha. Talib 2 would say Hadihi Ammatuha Aisha. The words are Sadiq and Ahmad. Talib 1 would say Hada Sadiqi Ahmad. Talib 2 would say Hada Sadiquhu Ahmad. Okay, these are the pronouns for the second person. For the third person, we would say Ma is mu who. Who is the pronoun for he. For she, it would be Ma ismu ha. Ha means she. So Sadia, what's the pronoun for she?
Here.
And what is the attached pronoun which we just wrote here?
Masmuki.
No, it is ha. Okay. So ki is you. She is a third person. She, the pronoun for she would be ha. Let me try to move this up. So who and ha. Look at the ending. The ending is who for he and ha for she. Let's do practice. How about we do Rahmat and one of you, Hania or Ilaf. Okay, so repeat after me. So Rahmat, Talib 1, Hania, Ilaf, if you can hear me, you'll be Talib 2. We'll do this one. So Rahmat, your dialogue would be Hada Walidi.
Haza Walidi.
Adnan.
Adnan.
And Ilaf Hania, your answer will be Hada Waliduhu
Hada waliduhu
Adnan.
Adnan.
Okay, let's do this one. Rahmat, your dialogue would be Hadihi
Hazihi
Walidati
walidati
Khadija.
Khadija.
Anya Ilaf, you would say Hadihi Walidatuha Khadija. The second one, Rahmat, you would say Hadihi
Hazihi
Ukhti
ukhti
Salma.
Salma.
And Hania Ilaf, you would say Hadihi Ukhtuha Salma. Now, one of you, Rahmat, Hania, Ilaf, what would be the meaning of these two sentences which we just said? What is Ukht?
My name is Adnan.
Again?
Ukht
Come
is
again.
sister.
Correct. So, Ukht is sister. What is Ukhti?
My sister.
Correct. Ukhti is my sister with the ending ya. What would be Ukhtuha?
Your.
Ukhtuha. What would.
Your
No. Your would be ki. This is your. So, Masmuka is your masculine. Masmuki is your feminine. So, Masmuka, Masmuki is used when you're talking to someone. Who and her. Masmuha, Masmuhu, Masmuha. And Ukhtuhu, Ukhtuha is used when you're talking about someone else. So, you're saying this is her sister Salma. So, you'd say Ukhtuha, that is she or her. Okay, it would not be your. Your is second person. Her is third person. Okay, let's try this one. Rahmat, try this one by yourself. So, and Uthman are the words.
Haza Ammi Amma
Ammi,
Ammi Usman.
Usman, very good. Now, Ilaf Hania, your word would be Ammuhu because it is his. How would you say it? We can't hear you. Can you speak up? Hania, Ilaf. Okay, your voice is breaking. I think you said Hada Ammuhu Uthman, which is correct. Now we'll switch people again. Let's do Hazik for Talib 1. And let's do Nimra and Sidra, Talib 2. Okay, so Hazik, Talib 1. Your word is Ib and Ali.
هذا ابني علي.
Correct. Nimra, Sidra, Talib 2.
Ibnatun Ali.
Again.
Haza Ibnatun Ali.
Hada Ibnuhu Ali.
Ibnuhu Ali.
Okay, so if you add the ta, Ibnatun would make it daughter. There's a difference between Ibnatun. We have
Answer.
Ibnatun. This is daughter. Okay, because it has the ta sound. So the ta is added to make a word feminine. And the answer we need is his son. which would be ibnuhu. Okay, this is the answer we need. Let me try to move this up. This is the answer we need. Okay, so ibnuhu. Who is the word that we need to add? His son Ali. Next one, Hazik.
هذه أمتي عائشة.
Very correct. Nice, Hazik. Nimra Sidra, Talib 2.
هذه
تو
أمة
عائشة.
عائشة.
At the he, ammatu ha. You need to add the ha at the end. Again. Again, Nimra Sidra, Talib 2. Hadihi ammatuha.
هذه أمة عائشة.
No. Hadihi ammatuha. It would be
هذه أمة عائشة.
correct. So it's ha, the, he. Ma, tu, ha, Aisha. Okay, so amma tu ha. So amma tu is the base form and ha is what is added at the end for her. Last one, Hazik.
هذا صديقي أحمد.
Correct. Nimra Sidra.
هذا هذا
Ada. Sadiquhu, his Sadiq, his friend, would be Sadiquhu.
أحمد.
And
أحمد.
full sentence.
هذا صديقه أحمد.
Nice. This goes into pronouns. We'll do more practice of pronouns, inshallah, and I'll make it easy for you. This is a tough exercise, okay? This is one of the tougher exercise from the one we have done. And with more practice, it'll become easy. Inshallah. Now, let's do this as homework again. In pairs, before the next class, as early as you can, because this is a little tough exercise. Try the same thing as homework. It is on page 60. It's the second practice exercise in the book. Okay, so we've already done it in the class. You know the answers, but practice this among yourselves. It will help you get the pronouns. It will help you get the my pronoun, my walid, the ya which is added at the end. Hada walidi Adnan, hada waliduhu Adnan, and also the ha pronoun. So try this as homework and send your recording to me after the class. This would be homework for today. Let's go to numbers. Before we learn new numbers, let's recap on the numbers 1 to 5, which we've already learned in lesson 1. Adnan, what are numbers 1 to 5? What would we say for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5?
The first one is Wahid.
Wahid, very nice. 2,
And is Isnan.
Ithnan, very nice.
Thalasa.
Good, correct.
Khamsa and Arba.
No, Arba'a and Khamsa. Arba'a is 4, Khamsa is 5.
Okay. Okay.
Very nice, Adnan. So Adnan is going to come first in today's quiz. So everyone watch out for Adnan. Okay. These are the numbers in page 31 of the book. Wahid, Ithnan, Thalatha, Arba'a, Khamsa. With the ending vowels, 1 would be Wahidun, 2 would be Ithnani, 3 would be Thalathatun. This is where we mixed up. 4 would be Arba'atun, 5 would be Khamsatun. Khamsu Riyalin would be 5 Riyals. Khamsu Tullabin would be 5 students, 5 male students. Khamsu Mudarrisin would be 5 teachers. Okay, so Khamsa is important because Khamsa is frequently used. The 5 is more used compared to the 4. So Khamsa is 5. Ashra, what we'll see now, is 10. So Khamsa Ashra two super important numbers, 5 and 10 are more used compared to the other numbers.
Akha bhaiya, how many questions are there in the quiz?
9 questions.
Okay.
Okay, so the new vowels, the new numbers, sorry, for 6 to 10, the new numbers, we have Sitta. Let me try to see if I can see myself on the screen. I cannot see myself. Okay, I'll go ahead. So Sitta
Yeah,
means 6. So relate Sitta to 6. Okay, so Sitta is 6. Sab'atun, Sab'a is 7. So Sitta 6, Sab'a 7. And pay attention because these are some of the questions in the quiz. We'll see examples where these numbers will come and you need to mark the correct answer in the quiz, inshallah. So Sittatun, 6 pence would be Sitta. Sab'atun would be 7. 8 would be Tamaniyatun. So Tamaniya or Tamaniyatun would be 8. 9 would be Tis'atun. And differentiate the 9 from the 6. So 6 is Sitta, Sin, Ta, and then the Ta marbuta. So Sin and then Ta. Tis'a is slightly confusing. We have Ta, Sin, and Ain. Okay, so Sitta, Tis'a. Confusing numbers. Try to differentiate while I'm telling these numbers out loud. So Sitta is 6. Tis'a is 9. Ashra is 10. Ashra is 10. Okay, so the numbers again, we have Sittatun, Sab'atun, Tamaniyatun, Tisatun, Ashratun. Sittatun, Sab'atun, Tamaniyatun, Tisatun, Ashratun. Those are numbers 6 to 10. Now let's do practice. Adnan seems to be paying a lot of attention. Adnan, what do we say for number 9? Number 9, Adnan.
Tisatun.
Tisatun, very nice. Number 6.
6. Sittatun.
Sittatun, very nice. Now next, Hifza. What do we say for 8?
Samaniya.
Tamaniya or Tamaniyatun, very nice.
Samaniyatun.
Correct. 10.
Ashratun.
Ashratun, nice, correct. Rahmat, what do we say for, this is 7, sorry, this is Sabatun, this is 7, this is 8. What do we say for 7, Rahmat?
Sabmatun.
Sabatun. What do we say for 8?
Tamaniyatun.
Tamaniyatun, nice. Little more practice before we go into the quiz. Now we'll do Hania Ilaf. So you answer. What would we say for 7? This is, the V is the 7. What do we say for 7? Sabatun, correct. 9?
Tisatun.
Tisatun, correct. 6.
Sittatun.
Sittatun, correct. 10.
Ashratun.
Correct. Ashratun is 10. 8.
Tamaniyatun.
Tamaniyatun. Very nice. Now, what is, again, so, Hania Ilaf, what is Tamaniyatun?
8.
8, very nice. Sittatun,
6.
correct. Tisatun,
9.
correct. Ashratun,
10.
correct. Tamaniyatun,
8.
Tamaniyatun, 8. Sabatun,
7.
7, nice. So everyone's ready for the quiz. We have seen numbers 1 to 5 and 6 to 10. Now we'll see here in the examples, in the quiz, we'll see them being used in a sentence. So it's the same numbers, but I'll give you examples so that you also see how they are used in an actual case. When an actual case, when you're talking, we'll see how they are used, inshallah. So we will use Kahoot. This is the instruction. Okay, so let me move this out. Okay, so this is the instruction. I think Misbah Bhabi, you'll be the only one new. What you have to do is go to kahoot.it and enter this game pin. That's the instruction. Let me also post this on WhatsApp. So we'll next have a quiz on Kahoot. Everyone needs to go to Kahoot to answer the quiz. Adnan first, and Adnan is ready. He's come, I think, to the class only for the quiz. So Adnan is the first to be ready. Let's see the others.
I'm in.
Okay. I can see you, Zahan. Welcome.
Can you send the link again?
Yes, let me send you the link. So those who haven't joined, let me send you the link on WhatsApp, okay? This will make it easy for you. So you go to kahoot.it, which is what I'm going to send you on WhatsApp as well. The pin is 336929. That's the pin you need to enter. So I've sent to Mispa Bhabi so that they can try the quiz. 336929. 336929. So go to kahoot.it. The instructions are to go to kahoot.it, kahoot.it, and this is on the group, so everyone has the link on WhatsApp. And the pin is 336929. This is where you need to go. I see 9 people in the class. We are missing. Nahid auntie seems to be joining. Anil auntie needs to join. I see Nimra Sidra, Hania Ilaf. I see Rahmat, Hazik Hifza, Sadia, Adnan, Zahan. I see all of you guys. Nahid auntie is in. So I'm missing Anil auntie.
Sahib?
Yes, Anil auntie.
Yeah, Sahib. Actually, my phone is not working. So I'm trying with Nani's phone.
No problem, Anil auntie. You can see the quiz on Zoom otherwise. Zoom is where we'll have all of the questions.
Yeah. Yeah, done. Thank you.
Mispa Bhabi, do you need help joining? Are you able to go to kahoot.it, or if you can tell me where you are now, I can help you come to the quiz so that at least you can see how we conduct our quiz.
मम्मी का बेटा, उसका बेटा जहान। आप कौन? अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Okay, anyone needs help? Mispa Bhabi, do you need help? Okay, we will get started. Someone dropped out. Yes, Anil auntie.
Let's meet the place once again.
So kahoot.it is where you need to go to. You have the link on WhatsApp. The pin is 336929. Yes, 336929. Okay. 20 more seconds and then we start. Okay, so we have only 9 people, so we are missing a couple of people. Mama, तुम्हें नहीं दिख रही मुझे.
She's there.
Okay, Mama is there. Who has dropped out? I do not see Zahan. Zahan, you seem to have disconnected. Okay, 2 more people have disconnected now. I do not see Hania Ilaf. Guys, 10 more seconds and then we start. Okay, Hania Ilaf, you are back in. Rahmat, Nimra Sidra, Hania Ilaf, Sadia, Adnan, all of you are here. I think Zahan is...
Sakib Chacha, 1 minute.
Quickly, Zahan, they are starting.
And just 1 minute.
Okay, Hazik, Hifza, you guys are here as well. Okay.
Am I in?
Yes, I can see you, Zahan. Okay, Anil Aunty, you are also in. Okay, Misbah Bhabhi, you are also in. Nice. Okay, guys, we will start now. Anyone who's not been able to join or anyone gets disconnected in between, remember the instructions on WhatsApp. So you need to go back to kahoot.it, enter pin 336929, enter your name, and you'll be in, inshallah. So instructions, like the previous quiz, the questions will all come on Zoom. You need to use Zoom and you need to use this audio for the questions. Only the answers you will have to enter on Kahoot. In Kahoot, you will see 4 answers. You will see blue, red, green, yellow. Only to enter answers, you will go on Kahoot. Okay. For all of the questions and for the class, it will continue to be on Zoom. We need to shift from Zoom to Kahoot. We will start, inshallah. Let me go full screen. So let's see who's going to win and who's paid attention and done revision of the numbers. This is the numbers quiz. First question, Akala Hamidun Tis'ata Anabin. Akala Hamidun Tis'ata Anabin. Hamid ate Tis'ata Anabin. Anabin means grapes. So Hamid ate Tis'ata grapes. Your question is, what is Tis'ata? Blue is 9, red is 7, green is 6, orange is 8. Let me repeat. Tis'ata is the question. Blue is 9, blue hai 9, red hai 7, lal color hai 7, green hara hai 6, orange narangi color hai 8. So blue 9, red 7, green 6, orange 8. The question is Tis'ata. We have 11 answers. We are missing 1 answer. So you need to go to Kahoot and enter. Click on either blue, red, green, orange. So Kahoot पे जाके आपको blue, red, green या orange में click करना है. ठीक है. We have 12 answers. Hifza was the first to give the correct answer. I think one of you answered green, which is wrong. This is 9. Okay, 9 is the correct answer. Let's go to the second question. Second question is easy, true or false. Okay, answer is yes or no. The question is Ha'ulai arba'atu awladin. Ha'ulai arba'atu awladin. We see in the picture 4 boys. Okay, you've got to answer. Ha'ulai arba'atu awladin. Are these arba'atu boys? So 4 boys are here. You need to say if arba'atu refers to 4 or not. Blue is true. Blue means yes. Arba'atu is number 4. Red is false. Red means that arba'atu is not equal to 4. The question again is arba'atu. If it is 4, answer is true. Okay, we have 11 correct, 1 wrong. Arba'atu is number 4. Khamsatu is number 5. These are the words we mixed, if you remember. Arba'atu, number 4. Khamsatu, 5. Arba'atu is number 4 and there are 4 boys in the picture. So the answer is correct. And this is the picture. If everyone can see Zoom, there are 4 boys. Arba'atu, answer has to be true. Answer has to be correct. Now everyone's used to Kahoot. Okay. The next questions will have lesser time, inshallah. The next questions will have only 60 seconds, so you need to be a little more fast. Hifza is again fast and number 1. Hazik second, Sadia third, Mama fourth, Naid Aunty fifth. Very important to get the correct answer, guys. Timing is second, so you have very little difference in timing, but very important is to get the correct answer. Third question. Ha'ulai dash rijalin. Ha'ulai dash rijalin is the question. There are 5 men in the picture. What do we say for 5? Blue is khamsatu, red is arba'u, green is thalathatu, orange is arba'atu. Question is number 5. What do we say for number 5? There are 5 men, 5 rijalin. Blue is khamsatu, red is arba'u, Green is thalathatu. Orange is arba'atu. You need to click blue, red, green, or orange on the Kahoot app or browser that you're using. Number 5, blue khamsatu, red arba'u, green thalathatu, orange arba'atu. Time is running out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time's up. We have only 11 answers. One person did not answer. You need to be a little more quick. 5 is khamsatu. 10 people have the correct answer. One person said arba'atu. So arba'atu is 4. It's the word we've just seen. Khamsatu is 5. Khamsatu is the answer which is correct, which is blue. Next question. Hifza, Hazik are on top. Sadia is 3rd. Mama 4th. Zahan is 5th. Come on, Zahan. You need to see and answer the correct answer quickly. 4th question. Zarat Khalidatu Tamaniyata Biladin. Zarat Khalidatu Tamaniyata Biladin. So Khalida has visited dash number of countries. Tamaniyata is the word. Your answers. Tamaniyata, if it refers to 9, you would mark blue. 7 is red. If Tamaniyata is 7, you would mark red. If Tamaniyata is 6, you would mark green. And a lot of people have marked Tamaniyata 8, which is orange, which is correct. 2 people have marked red. 7. 7 is Sab'atu. Here it would be Sab'ata. Sab'ata is 7. Tamaniyata is 8. Okay, so Sab'ata, Tamaniyata. Tamaniyata is 8, and 8 is the correct answer. Let's see who's on top. We have Hifza, Hazik again. Done a lot of revision. Sadia, Mama, Zahan are next. Adnan, I do not see you on top. Although you are the one who was most excited and done the most practice. Come on, Adnan. You have 5 more questions to catch up.
Do we have a bonus question in this?
No bonus question. This is easy questions. Okay, so no bonus here. Bonus we'll do next, inshallah, in the next quiz when you have tough questions.
Okay.
Okay, next, regular question. Question number 5. Fataha Nasirun dash Abwabin. So this is a question we've seen earlier in a previous quiz. So Fataha Nasirun. Nasirun opened dash Abwabin. The answer is number 4. There are 4 doors. What do we say for number 4? 4, blue is Arba'ata. Arba'ata is blue. Thalathata is red. Khamsata is green. Ithnan is orange. Question is dash Abwabin. What do we say for number 4? 4, is it Arba'ata blue, Thalathata red, Khamsata green, Ithnan orange. Okay, Arba'ata 4. We've seen 4 before. So Arba'ata is 4. 2 people have marked Khamsata. Again, Khamsata is 5. So be clear. Arba'ata is 4. Either remember 4 or 5. Arba'ata 4, Khamsata 5. Dawr al-Khamis would be the 5th door. Dawr al-Rabi' would be the 4th door. Have a way to remember 4 and 5 and to differentiate them from each other. So it's Arba'ata, Khamsata, 4, 5. Let's see the standings. Oh, Hazik has got the answer wrong and Hazik has dropped down. So Hifza is 1, Sadia 2, Mama 3, Anil Aunty 4, Rahmat 5. A lot of people have got 5 answers correct. Let's go. Easy quiz, guys. Next answer, get it correct. Next quiz, Hadihi dash Kutubin. These are dash number of books. You have a picture. In the picture are 3 books. Your question is, what do we say for number 3? 3, is it blue Arba'atu, red Thalathatu, green Ithnan, orange Khamsatu? What do we say for number 3? Thalathatu is the correct answer. Ithnan is 2. So the Ani, what we'll see in future examples, the Ani refers to number 2. So Talibani would be 2 students. Tobibani would be 2 doctors. Mudarrisani would be 2 teachers. Kutubani would be 2 books. Okay, so the Ani is 2. Thalatha is number 3. Let's see the standings. Hifza again number 1. Sadia is very close. Sadia is answering correct and Sadia is answering fast. So Sadia is number 2. Mama, the young girls are faster than Mama. So Mama is number 3, Anil aunty number 4, Rahmat number 5. Let's see, guys. I think we have 3 more questions. Let's see who comes on top. Question 7. Ha'ula'i ashratu rijalin. Ha'ula'i ashratu rijalin. You need to say what is ashratu. These are dash number of men. Ashratu is the word. Blue is number 8. If ashratu is 8, you would mark blue. If it is 10, you would mark red. If it is 11, you would mark green. If it is 9, you would mark orange. So ashratu, blue 8, red 10, green 11, orange 9. 2 people still have to mark. Ashratu is the word. Blue 8, red 10. Nice. So Ashra is 10. Khamsa is 5. Okay. 2 people marked 11. We have not seen 11 so far. So Ahada, Ashara. So Wahid plus Ahada. Sorry, Wahid plus Ashra. So Ahada, Ashra would be 11. Okay, we have not seen 11 so far. So 11 is the trick question. 11, Ashra is just 10. Ahada, Ashra is 11. Okay, so we have not seen 11 in the class. This was surely out. We have not seen 11, so I would not ask you a question related to 11. So the answer is 10. Okay, Hifza, Sadia again, very fast. First 2, Mama is 3rd, Rahmat 4th, Hania, Ilaf number 5. Anil aunty seems to have dropped. So let's see who gets the remaining questions correct and fast. Question 8. Hadani, Kalamani, dash. We have already seen Ani. What is Ani? Hadani, Kalamani, dash. We have 2 pens in the picture. Okay. So how would we say these are 2 pens? So Hadani, Kalamani, which already says 2. Now what would be the additional word which would say 2? Blue is Wahidun. Red is Ithnan. Green is Thalathatun. Orange is Thalathatani. So blue is Wahidun. Red Ithnani. Green Thalathatun. Orange Thalathatani. Quickly, guys, we have 1 person who hasn't answered. So 2. What do we say for 2? Blue is Wahidun. Red is Ithnani. Green Thalathatun. Orange Thalathatani. You have very little time. 4, 3, 2, 1. And time is up. Ithnani is number 2. So Kalamani is 2. Ithnani is 2. Wahidun is 1. Wahid is 1. So again, Ahada, Ashara, what we saw earlier was 11. Okay, so Ahad and Wahid refer to 1. It's Ithnani which refers to 2. Okay, so Hifza, Sadia are the fastest and the ones marking correct. Mama 3, Rahmat 4, Hania, Ilaf number 5. Last question. Jalasa Ahmadu Ma'a Sittati Mudarrisin. So Ahmad is sitting with Sittati Mudarrisin. What is Sittati? He is sitting with Sittati number of teachers. 8 is blue. 6 is red. 9 is green. Orange is 7. So Sittati. Sitta is the word. Blue 8. Red 6. Green 9. Orange 7. Sittati. What is Sittati? Is it 8, 6, 9, 7? 8 blue. Okay. So people seem to have confused between Sitta and Tissa, which are similar words. So Sitta means 6. Tissa means 9. Okay. 1 person has marked 8, which is Thamaniya. 2 people have marked 7, which is Sabah. So Sitta is 6. Thamaniya is 8. Sabah is 7. Tissa is 9. That's the end of the quiz. Number 3 is Rahila. Mama is number 3. Number 2 is Sadia, who was fast. And number 1 is Hifza, who was slightly faster. Hifza was the most correct and the fastest among the lot. Number 4 is Rahmat. Number 5 are Hania and Ilaf. I don't know if it is coincidence, but all the top 5 are women and girls. Okay, although we did not have any questions related to masculine, feminine, women, men in the quiz, still it seems to be the females who are practicing a lot and getting most of the answers correct. We are out of time, so we will close now.
What happened to you?
What happened to Adnan? Adnan, you are the one who was most excited and who came ready. Maybe it is a new words. Maybe it is 6 to 10. Adnan needs some more practice on 6 to 10. It's okay, Adnan. We will do another quiz next Sunday, inshallah. So next week, we will do another quiz on Sunday when we have everyone. Homework for today, again, important for you to practice and get things correct, is the second dialogue on page 60. We've already done it in the class. Do it in pairs. So one of you become Talib 1. The second of you be Talib 2. Practice this in pairs and send me the recording ahead of the next class, inshallah, and I will let you know where you need corrections on the answers you've marked. With that, we will end today's class. I had a lot of fun teaching you these tough lessons and also conducting this tough quiz for you. Inshallah, we will meet next Saturday at 12:30. Use the same Zoom link, inshallah, and send me the homework well ahead of the class. Send me the homework before Friday. On that note, we will close. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik. Wa nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Waalaikum assalam.
Assalamu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallah khair.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa iyyakum. Ma salama. See you next Saturday, inshallah.